can I go to jail under the Domestic Violence Act? My wife has filed a domestic violence petition against me. This is a common statement question posed to me by a lot of husband clients. And I explain to them that there is a small possibility of going to jail, but not under the Domestic Violence Act, but under the various provisions of dowry, harassment, criminal breach of trust laws, which is there under the Indian Penal Code, now under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. But Domestic Violence Act was an act created to secure certain rights for wives in 2005 by the parliament, which talks about, number one, compensation to a wife who is a victim of domestic violence. So it is a civil case. Number two is, while the case is going on, provisions for interim maintenance till the decision of the case. Second is for residence orders in the shared household, so that the wife is not thrown out of the house, she is not without a roof over her head. So she can claim residence orders in a house which is owned either by the husband, and after 2020 it said, or her or the husband's relatives. And also protection orders, that the protection officers under the Domestic Violence Act, which are usually police officers, will be there to protect the wife in case there is any physical or mental domestic violence which continues after filing the case. Is there any punishment for under the Domestic Violence Act? You're going to jail under the Domestic Violence Act? Absolutely not, unless as an enforcement procedure, if an order is passed under the Domestic Violence Act, say for example for interim maintenance, for residence in the shared household, for protection orders, and then there is disobedience of that order, then for that the court can use its powers to send you to jail as an enforcement procedure. So wife filed domestic violence petition against me, there is no cause for you to worry about going to jail.